Hey guys, Ashley Peterson here with Promo Realty and welcome to 1318 Mernie. This is a great home. It has been very well updated. When you come up to the front home, you're going to notice this extra wide patio with stairs coming up. Inside, there is newer flooring. The kitchen has been updated. The bathrooms have been updated. Newer HVAC system, fenced-in backyard. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1 car garage. It's a great home and won't last long. So sit back and enjoy the tour.